Microservices APM is a new component of SignalFx platform. It's designed to provide monitoring and triaging capabilities for distributed microservices environments. In this demo, I'll give you a quick preview of Microservices APM and its main capabilities. Let's start with the overview of all the different services we are monitoring with SignalFx. Here you see the services and you see their interdependencies. You can also see requests, error rate, duration, and endpoint. From here, you can jump directly to a pre-built service dashboard. This is a dashboard focused on the relevant infrastructure and application metrics from the service you chose. You can also go directly to the pre-built endpoint dashboard. Now, from any chart or alert, whether from this dashboard or other SignalFx dashboards, you can seamlessly go to see relevant traces. Once you jump to look at your traces, you see your service map, you have a list of your traces, you see the latency distribution, and you see the rate of erroneous requests. Using the patented NoSample architecture, we're able to see all traces and make sure we don't miss any long or erroneous trace. If you're a service owner or you're interested in a specific endpoint or tag, for example, a specific customer, you can filter by that service or endpoint. To help with faster triaging of issues, you can use the Outlier Analyzer. The Outlier Analyzer uses data science to automatically identify trends and tell you the top operations and top key value pairs contributing to your slow traces. When I hover over this key value pair, this org ID for instance, you see the overrepresentation in the long tail. From here, with one click, you can filter to all traces that have this particular operation or key value pair. You can also dig deeper into a trace and see all the spans within that trace. You can see which spans contribute the most to the trace duration. Also, because of our unique capability of keeping metrics for all spans and traces, we can identify deviation from normal. We can even color spans by how historically anomalous they are. When you click on a span, you are able to see metrics over time. You can even see specific metrics for the host running the span. This allows you to easily identify if there is a problem with the underlying infrastructure. This quick demo demonstrated how SignalFx utilizes metrics, traces, and powerful analytics to provide a great tool for monitoring and triaging in the distributed microservices environment.